students. Today we will read page 96, chapter 8, Confronting Marginalization, Class 8, Social Science, Social and Political Life. The poem below is written by Sora Bai, the wife of the well-known Bhakti poet Chokha Mela from 14th century Maharashtra. They belong to the Mahar caste, which was at that time considered untouchable. A body is clean, a body is unclean, they say. Only the soul is untainted, but the impurity of the body is born within the body. By which rituals does the body become pure? Not a creature has been born except in a bloody womb. This is the glory of God. Defilement exists within. The body is polluted from within. Be sure of it, says the Mahari Chokha. Sorabai is questioning the idea of purity and arguing that since every human is born in the same manner, there is nothing that makes our body less or more pure than other. She is possibly also trying to say that pollution, a key tool of the caste system to separate or deny people access to space, work, knowledge, and dignity, occurs not through the nature of work done, but from within, from your thoughts, values, and beliefs. Therefore, Dalits can involve or draw on a fundamental rights or rights in situations where they feel that they have been treated badly by the same individual or community or even by the government. They have drawn the attention of the government of India to the constitution, demanding that the government abide by it and do justice to them. Likewise, other minority groups have drawn on the fundamental rights section of our constitution. They have particularly drawn upon the right to freedom of religion and cultural and educational rights. In the case of cultural educational rights, distinct cultural and educational religious groups like the Muslims and Parsis have the right to be the guardians of the content of their culture as well as the right to make decisions on how best their content is to be preserved. Thus, by granting different form of cultural rights, the Constitution tries to ensure cultural justice to such groups. The Constitution does this so that the culture of these groups is not dominated nor wiped out by the culture of the majority community. Laws of the marginalized. As you have